Okay, so about 14 degrees, and yesterday we figured the distance was about 540 meters to some steel silhouette targets out there. We were hitting them. See if I can do a group today on the targets. If I can hit them, that'd be good too. Oh, nice.
Which one are you shooting at?
I'm shooting at the one with the paper on it on the left.
All right. Oh, man.
Yeah, knock the paper down.
Yep.
Well, that'll be a group of 2. That might have been hitting high.
Yeah, high and to the right a little bit. I mean,
Really?
it's like left shoulder.
Left shoulder, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go down just a touch to the left.
You hit the bottom. Cut the tape on the bottom.
Oh, okay. So you're just aiming right for the center then.
Yeah.
You know what? I got no wind today, so it's not messing with it like it was yesterday.
Yeah, I think I see the splatters on the paint. It's like left part of the rib cage. Lower of the rib cage.
Was that a miss?
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw that. That was just to the right.
Yeah, because you're kind of like, as we're...
So is that about 2 misses out of 8, out of 10?
Yeah, and as you're looking at it, because I can see the paint, you're kind of hitting right here.
So it's a pretty decent group then.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, I like that. So that was 540 meters. I had 5 mils on the scope, 0 wind. And from the sounds of it, I got 8 out of 10 hits on the target, which measures 30 inches high by 18 inches wide.
So you're within 9 inches.
What's that?
So you're probably within 9 inches at 540 meters because it's all right about here.
A little bit on the right.
Yeah, as you're looking at it, a little bit to the right.
Well, there's a slight bias to the right. I mean, you can look at that snow. There's just the slight. So there's probably about a 2 or 3.
Yeah, that flag just settled down, but it was flapping a little bit.
I got maybe a 3-mile-an-hour wind to the right or something, which at this distance matters. So yesterday we were here, it was like, when we started out, it was below 0. We brought a sleeping bag with us, so when we're shooting prone, we throw the sleeping bag over us. Kind of works. All right, so I got 10 rounds loaded. And this is kind of a proof of concept here. I've got the range. Imagine there's some sort of hostile machine gun or something. I've got the range, and I'm going to just try to dump as many as I can, as quickly as I can, on the target at 540 meters. Okay. To the right.
To the right. Your misses were like just right on the right edge. Just to the right edge. Wide right.
That was 10 rounds. I started aiming on the left edge.
Yeah, you're hitting, this is the silhouette. Like top, bottom. This is the silhouette. When you're missing like right there.
Well, you know, I could dial in. So there's a bit of wind there. I could dial that in. Like that's about almost a full mil, or no, half a mil. I can see the snow. It's going from left to right.
Uh-huh.
So I could put, I think I could put like 0.4 mils on the scope. I think I'll do that. So I'm going to go left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if I'm on the center, the edge is at about 0.4.
Yeah, you were just like, when you were missing it, it was very, just probably scraped off a bit of copper when it went by that thing. It was so close.
All right, so I'm going to put 0.5. I'm going to stop the video, reload another mag. Sometimes I have this other mag, it's like 26 round mag. It doesn't even work because the bullets are so long, it'll hang up and not feed. It'll just stop, you know, and then the bullets are loose.
Yeah.
So I think for that mag to work, I'd have to load them just a tad shorter. Okay, so I put 0.5 mils on the scope, which is kind of consistent with a 5-mile-an-hour wind, which sounds about, which to me looks about right. Barely perceptible. I can see a bit of snow going from left to right. So, and I still see that. Actually, it might have backed off a little bit, to be honest. I see the snow coming straight down now.
Yeah, same here.
All right, I'm going to take that off. Back to zero. Zero wind now.
Now it's blowing a little bit to the right again.
Was it?
It's blowing a little bit to the right again. Yep, just missed it to the right.
To the right, eh?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I noticed the snow started shifting. Ooh, I saw it that time. The trajectory. Oh, yeah. That one you hit on the left side of the target, I watched it go right in. That's pretty cool. To the right.
Oh.
But it's funny, you're kind of hitting, that wind really is pushing it.
Well, I changed my point of aim. I was shooting about the left third, and then I went to the middle based on your last.
Yep.
So I'm going to aim, I'm seeing a bit of left to right, so I'm going to aim on the left third.
Yeah, it keeps shifting. I didn't see that one.
Obviously a miss. I'm seeing a bit of left to right, so. Huh. Okay. Not exactly rapid fire. You can't miss fast enough, so. But I hit, what, couple misses maybe?
Yeah. And it was interesting too, I was able to track the last round. I was actually able to see the move, and it was like...
Could you see the wind take it?
Yeah, it was like this, and then it came around, and then it just kind of a sweeping arc. Like
Yeah,
that.
I noticed that yesterday. It was like watching somebody's curveball in baseball.
Yeah.
When you watch the wind take it and just move it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I got Don shooting on the Grendel. Got the...
Now, when you're hitting this thing, we use it cross. So I see a little bit of windage. Is this thing zeroed?
I zeroed out the windage. I was just using the mills on the reticle to apply windage.
Okay.
If you see it going to one way or the other, like the snow, I would give it about 1/2 mil, and that's the small tick. The big ticks are a mil. So if you see it like from right to left, or like, actually I was aiming on the left third of the, or the right third, mostly the left third of the target.
All right, I'm gonna go 1/2 mil dead center.
Which target you aiming at?
The same one you're shooting at. Second from the left.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
5 on 5?
Yeah.
How are you aiming it?
1/2 mil dead center, like there.
1/2 mil? Yeah, because I was seeing a bit of left to right on the snow.
Yeah, I was too. I was watching the snow before I squeezed the trigger, except for the last two. You know, just kind of kept doing that, so I just
Yeah.
kept that.
Yeah, awesome.
All right, that's square.
Recording?
Yep.
Okay. Eye protection. All right.
Fending off the horde, you've got to have eye protection, safety, always safety. About 540 meters, the Huns are gathering, ready to attack.
Okay, no snow. I'm not sure about the wind.
The flag here is straight down, but there's no telling what it's going to be at downrange. And the attack on our position begins. Got it. Got another. Hit every single one. The horde has been successfully thwarted. I actually saw